Hey there, Cash App users. Frustrated with those pesky notification pop-ups saying you've reached the request limit? You're not alone. And I'm here to guide you through how to fix Cash App You Reach the Request Limit. Today we're diving into practical strategies to help you navigate and overcome these Cash App limitations. Step 1. Understand Cash App limits. Before jumping to solutions, it's crucial to understand why these limits exist. Cash App imposes sending and receiving limits to safeguard against fraudulent activities and ensure secure transactions. Initially, users can send up to $250 within a 7-day period and receive up to $1,000 within a 30-day period. However, you can increase these limits by verifying your account with additional information like your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 2. Verify your account. Verifying your account is a straightforward way to surpass initial limitations. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open Cash App. Launch the app on your device and go to your account settings. 2. Submit required info. Enter your full name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your social security number when prompted. 3. Wait for confirmation. After submission, Cash App will review your information and send a confirmation upon successful verification. By completing these steps, verified users can send up to $7,500 per week and have no limit on the amount they can receive. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. If you're still facing issues even after verification, reaching out to Cash App support could be your next best step. Here's how. 1. Open the app. Navigate to your profile icon on the home screen. 2. Select Support. Scroll down and tap on Support. 3. Describe your issue. Provide detailed information about the request limit issue. 4. Submit and wait. Send your query and wait for a response from the support team. Cash App support can offer tailored advice or fix technical glitches leading to your request limit issue. Step 4. Manage transaction frequency. Minimizing the chances of encountering request limits involves strategic planning regarding your transaction frequency. Here are a few tips. Space out transactions. Instead of sending money frequently in small amounts, consolidate your transactions into larger, less frequent ones. Monitor your limits. Keep an eye on your transaction history and stay informed about your current limits. Use alternative payment methods. If you're nearing your Cash App limit, consider using other payment methods like PayPal, Venmo, or traditional bank transfers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively fix Cash App You Reach the Request Limit and enjoy a smoother experience with your transactions. Remember, verifying your account is key to unlocking higher limits, while planning and monitoring can prevent future headaches. Stay secure and happy transferring. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share these tips with fellow Cash App users.